Hello, Sudhir ji. Good evening. Good late.
Good evening. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. You are audible. Am I audible also?
Yeah.
I hope you are able to see me clearly.
Yeah. I'm able to see you.
I think we are meeting for the first time.
Yes, this is the first time meeting.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Okay.
And where are you from, sir?
I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Okay, Belgaum, right. And you are a resident there. You are staying in Belgaum.
Yeah, I'm residing here.
And sir, your whatever that you are wearing at this moment,
Okay.
it tells me that you have come back from work just now, or maybe before some time.
No, I come back in the evening.
And that's a long time, almost 14 years.
Yes.
And where are you teaching? So are you teaching in an English medium school?
Yeah, English medium schools.
And I think this is your second session with Clapingo. Am I correct? Officially?
Yeah, this is the second session. First was a trial session.
We are not counting that. Trial session that's a trial session. So I think this happens to be you have taken session number 1 and this is session number 2, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Why did you choose me, sir, today?
There is no, I think, reason. I think you have a experience of 23 years, and I think I thought that you will better understand how.
So that is the reason, sir. That's why
Yeah, I read your description, how you wrote there. I read that and I select
so
you.
that means there is a reason. You are saying there is no reason. There is a reason, actually.
Yes, is the reason.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I think that there is no personal reason. I only select reading your description, and I thought that you are a better tutor for me
Thank you.
for beginning.
Sir, how can there be a personal reason? Because we don't know each other. So,
Yeah.
so what I asked you is that there are many speakers.
Oh, yes.
You could have chosen somebody else. Why did you choose me? This was my question, actually.
Yes.
So I've got the answer.
Yes. Actually, there is a 24 session I have in my hand. So each time it is necessary to choose different tutors. Okay, it's a good for learning new things, and it's a very good sharing our thoughts, ideas to different tutors and getting some new ideas from their sides.
Yeah.
So each and every time selection
So
is.
how was your first session, sir?
My first session was good.
Okay. So did you enjoy?
Yeah, I enjoy. Sir, I have one request to you. If you don't mind, I have a YouTube channel, and if I put this session on YouTube, there is a
No
problem for
problem.
you?
No problem
Okay,
at all.
okay. Thank you, sir.
Because my videos are there on YouTube. Many videos are there, actually.
I saw your videos, but it is my responsibility to ask you first.
Thank you very much. Yeah, many people, they don't tell and they upload the video. So it's thank you very
Yeah, getting permission from your side it is most important for me.
But sir, it's not me who can give you the permission. Ideally,
Yeah,
I think you know the process, the formalities.
yeah. But first side I take permission your side, and secondly I will ask permission, putting requests.
Yes,
So
actually, that's the most important thing because
yeah.
Clapingo approves it, you can definitely upload the video. So,
Yes.
Sudhir,
After video, I will put it in.
I'm very curious to ask what brought you to Clapingo? I mean, what brings you here to Clapingo, sir? What was the reason?
Actually, learning English is my dream. I was a dream to learn, speak up, learn, and no one with speak with me. And if I ask someone, then many of people's friends were not ready to speak with me. Okay, so I check out Clapingo. I saw many videos on YouTube of Cambly Clapingo. I also one of tutor. I think his name was Dr. Sandeep Patil. I also tried there, but I think I found Cambly is sorry, Clapingo is best because Cambly is a native speakers and Clapingo is a platform of our Indians who understands our feelings, who have an accent of Indian accent. Okay, so I chose Clapingo instead of Cambly and Dr. Sandeep Patil.
Right, wonderful. And I think
Sandeep Patil was also good, but there was no video, personal video and conversations. So I think it's my better way to uh, con- uh, communicate voice to us personal. So it is better for me clapping. It was better.
this interaction, I think, is the key.
Is the key of fluency
Right,
from
right.
fluency in English.
Because I can tell you from my own experience of teaching, and because I have been training teachers for a very long time, sir. I
Okay.
yeah, because I did my international certification and then I started working for a British company training the teachers who used to
Yes, yes.
take up assignments in abroad. Now I'll quickly share my experience. You know what happens is when you speaking is such a skill that can only be improved by speaking only.
Okay.
So, and that too by rigorous practice. So I do not undermine the efforts that are being put by the other edtech companies in terms of there are many different ways of learning. So you learn through app, you watch videos. Those are all there. Even I have done it. I'm still doing it. There are many YouTube videos that I personally watch, which I like.
Okay.
I'll tell you something. The best form of learning would be to speak.
Speak.
Because as you speak, there are so many things. I have heard this innumerable times, people telling me, I mean, the learners, that I know grammar, I know the rules, but when it comes to speaking, I am not able to connect the sentences. This is because of the lack of speaking.
Lack of speaking. My mind goes blank when we starting
Because you
speaking.
have to understand, sir, everything that you are learning. Like, for example, even I'll tell you, when you are listening to me, this is
Mhm.
this is something passive. I hope you understand. Everything is this is not in active form. Meaning tomorrow you are going
Okay.
you are going to forget this. And day after tomorrow you are going to forget completely. That's human brain. So
Yes.
you have to rewire yourself. So what I'm trying to tell you is that when you speak more, so your oratory skills, they are in action.
Mhm.
So even there is a mistake, even there is a flaw. So you have someone now
Mhm.
to correct you then and there.
Yes.
I mean, that's the reason you are here, so that you are able to accept your flaws and then go forward. That's how it is.
Okay.
So, okay. So, I want to ask you something that are you a food lover? Because I am a foodie.
Yeah.
Because you are from Maharashtra. So, Maharashtra has got a lot of variety of cuisine, I believe. Yeah, typical Maharashtrian cuisine, those Kolhapur chicken and all that spicy, whatever I heard here. So maybe,
Our Mumbai's power is quite famous.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Any activity that you used to do it in the past, something that happened in the past, you say that we used to do this. We used to.
Yeah. We used to live there. We
Absolutely.
used to play.
But
Okay.
we used to live there, but we no longer live now. So that's why we are saying we used to.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I heard your sentence carefully because you said we don't eat outside now. We have stopped now and we prefer eating home cooked food, right? That's what you meant.
Yes.
So, sir, my question is that Do you cook yourself also? Do you know?
I like cooking, but when I was alone, when I alone, that's time I cook myself. Otherwise, my wife cook for our whole family.
Okay, so you can say, sir, I cook when I am alone. When I am alone.
Alone, yeah,
I am alone, sir.
I am alone.
Now, because this is something you are telling as a fact. Any
Yes,
fact. If I had to say this in Hindi quickly, जब मैं अकेले होता हूँ तभी मैं cook करता हूँ.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
that's why you are saying this is a fact. So that's why you are saying when I am alone, then I cook for myself.
Yes, myself.
So, sir, a question for you.
Yes.
Is there any particular dish or a menu that you have cooked many times, and every time you have cooked, people have always praised about it? I mean, family members, friends, you yourself, you have liked it. Is there any that one dish that you would like to share?
Actually, I never share with friends, but I share with my family, and the it was a rice,
Rice.
rice, chawal,
Only plain rice you are talking about?
spicy rice,
What
not
is
a
it?
plain
How do you
roti
prepare
rice.
that spicy rice?
Yeah, it's called as a Hindi, I think chawal.
Chawal, we know, sir. I'm saying, how do you cook that spicy rice? How do you make it spicy? That's what I say. You said spicy rice, right?
Yes, sir. And my family and we ate those food, but I never share with my friends. I share only with my family.
Okay, no problem, sir. You share with your family, and your family always enjoys, right? That's what you're saying.
Yes, yes, sir.
But I am asking you a different question. I am asking you, how do you prepare that spicy rice? Could you describe
Okay,
that?
okay. Starting, I means making process of spicy food.
No, I'm saying you said
How
I
many ingredients I use to make a food? Okay, onions,
that
oil.
that particular dish that you were talking spicy rice.
Yeah, first of all, I put oil in a what in a dish. I think
So in a frying
they
pan,
in a pan in a pan
fry,
or basin. Yes, sir.
in a frying pan, sir. It will be a frying pan.
In a frying pan, I put oil in it, and after that, onion and I think ginger,
Huh.
ginger,
So you add some
also
onion, you add some ginger to it, right?
ginger, and
Garlic.
also garlic and turmeric
Okay, sir.
as per level, and also salt. Okay, and some spicy chilies,
Okay.
and some spicy.
Mix them up.
I mix that in ingredients, and after that I wash rice
Mhm.
with pulses in there. Okay, and after washing all those things, I put there into the vessel frying pan, and mix all those things, and wait few 10 or 15 minutes, and after check it's good or bad. If I cook in a cooker, then I only take a three whistles, and after that I uh, close, shut the gas, and my food is ready.
Right, sir. I think our time is up. So I don't, because the session will get disconnected any moment. It was lovely meeting you, Sudhirji.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you one more time for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you. Good night, sir.